some wholesome actions. But actually sometimes at the moment of the death, sometimes some unwholesome thought may occur to you, done in the previous births. Sometimes if you are practicing unwholesome action in the present birth, some wholesome thought may occur to your mind at the moment of the death. So therefore those who have entered the Sotapanna, actually although they happen to lead very, very busy life sometimes. That's why I told you Mahanama, actually when he was riding a horse, actually he absolutely forget the Sotapanna condition, Sotapanna status. But at the moment of the death, he could recollect, and after death he became very, very good position. That means actually human life. Those who are Sotapannas never are born as animals and some other lower level positions. Actually that is known as apaya, that means actually hell, miserable condition. So therefore actually it is very important to understand, although we are enjoying out of our five aggregates, we must have actually realization that all these five aggregates are temporary. That understanding should be functional in every moment. That's why actually when you meditate, Marananusati Bhavana, that means mindfulness on death. So always if you are thinking about the death, actually that mindfulness is actually according to the development of the characteristics of Sotapanna. Actually some people say that actually the Sotapanna is a certificate. Actually that is certificate to live very successful life. Some people ask some questions actually whether we are possible to become Sotapannas or not. But according to my idea, actually we can do it. When asked by the Buddha, by some disciples actually, Buddha told how far the Buddha's teachings are practiced by my followers. Actually so far these attainments can be approached. We can realize these attainments, but we are not talking much, right? Now, Vicikicca means actually we need not to develop doubt. Actually, doubt on what? Buddha, Dhamma, Sangha, Karma, karmic results, and rebirth, previous births. Actually, we are not having doubt. Sotapannas don't have any doubt on these things actually, because always practically they have understood actually all these experiences are relevant to one's own life. Now when we examine the results of good karma and bad karma, actually very, very clear, we can understand. Now last day also I described about them. Actually if we happen to lead very miserable life, sorrowful life for a long time, sometimes having some physical diseases, some mental problems, maybe very, very trivial problem, that means very small problems, but sometimes we happen to suffer much. But actually if we have belief that because of the some bad karma, results of bad karma, which have been practicing long time, actually sometimes we happen to suffer. If we are possible to lead very happy life, very pleasant life actually, then only there also we can understand actually always we can lead very pleasant life, very happy life because of the good actions which have been practiced by me since long time. Therefore we don't have doubt about the results of good actions and bad actions. Therefore always we are preparing for the next birth, living in the present moment. Now Buddha's admonition is to live in the present moment very happily. Pachupannena yapemi, that is the Pali term. We need not to regret from the past births, about the past births, and we are not thinking about the future birth, but actually live now. If you are possible to live now very happily means here understand the reality without having any doubt, believing in the results of good and bad actions. That is the how to avoid from vicikiccha. And Silabbata Paramasa and last one, that is very important actually, because actually whatever moral conduct we are practicing should be very meaningful. Actually so many rituals, now many persons actually without right understanding they are practicing some moral conduct. But according to Buddhism, those who enter the stream of Dhamma, actually having right understanding, although those precepts are actually exceeded means actually we have exceeded the limitations of precept. That means actually if you are not possible to protect those precepts, actually they come to normal very soon, because already you have entered the correct path through right understanding. Could you understand that actually? Actually without right understanding, those who have entered the path, actually although if they break the precepts, that means exceed the values of precepts, actually they can't come to normal because of not having right understanding. But Sotapannas actually avoid from many unwholesome actions through right understanding only. So therefore basis of Buddhism is right understanding. And meditation also, samadhi, actually can be meaningful entering to Sotapanna through right understanding. Sometimes actually here, all over the world, there are some unusual methods of meditation. Methods of meditation are done for relaxation actually. That word is used. Actually meditation, Buddhist meditation is not only for relaxation. There are some methods to relax. But actually Buddha's methods of meditation are not only to relax. Now whenever you are watching a tree, actually in that tree there may be some birds and some other living creatures. Actually there are anything actually when you are watching, that would be meditation for relax. But anyway here, whenever you meditate, pondering on a certain object. Now I will give a very nice example, Anapanasati, right? When you actually practice Anapanasati meditation, actually the fourth stage in Pali language, Patsambayam Kaya Sankharam Asasisamiti Sikkati, which means actually regarding the breath is also impermanent. Actually that paves the way to develop your insight, Vidassana meditation. But in the first three stages actually no Vidassana meditation. It does the three stages do not pave the way to Vidassana meditation. That is only temporary positions. But fourth stage, when you develop that, actually it guides you to, it leads you to Vidassana, development of your insight. So like that actually, because you are having right understanding. That's why I reiterate the value of right understanding or samadhi, or saddha, or panya. They are synonyms, right? Saddha, panya, samadhi, they are synonyms, right? Bringing same meaning. Actually meditation also become meaningful because all the meditation, methods of meditations pave the way to develop your insight. If you enter the path through right understanding. That is very important characteristics of